Shivkashi movie summary in English. Shivkashi is a welder who meets Hema, and they fall in love after multiple incidents. Hema's father approves of the marriage, but her brothers remark that Shivkashi's current income is not enough to support Hema, causing him to throw them out of the house. Hema confronts Shivkashi, who remarks that he couldn't understand his siblings as he was an orphan. Shivkashi reveals his real name as Muthappa and was falsely blamed for setting off crackers near a possessed dancer 15 years earlier, which was actually done by his brother, Udyappa. Hema berates him for ignoring his parents' love and declares they will marry only at his family's request. Shivkashi returns to his village and discovers Udayappa is now a MLA due to his mother-in-law, Mulimungari's influence. Shivkashi's mother, Thangam, works as a servant in her own house and his sister Vairam operates a roadside stall in a nearby village in utter poverty with her husband Ramalingam and daughter Divya. Shivkashi decided to improve their lot anonymously. One of his few confidants tells how his father, Mayappa, died when Udayappa claimed that Thangam had affairs. Enraged, Shivkashi beats up Udyappa and his men, using a fake identity. Udyappa tries to sell off the ancestral property, but Shivkashi reminds the buyers that without Muthappa's signature, the sale is illegal. To avoid this, Udayappa dresses a false body to look like Muthappa, but Shivkashi inserts a note saying his share of the property should be donated. The note is found to be valid, and Udayappa reveals his deception. Later, Udayappa registers his MLA candidacy but finds Vairam contesting, supported by Shivkashi's money. Furious about Shivkashi, Udyappa is visited by Hema and Shivkashi's friends who are looking for him. Udyappa goes to Shivkashi's house thinking that he knows his identity. It is revealed that Hema lied, saying that Muthappa and Shivkashi are friends. Udyappa threatens to kill Thangam and although Shivkashi burns his pawns, he and Vairam decide to leave. At night, Vairam sees Ramalingam getting kidnapped by someone assuming that he is Udyappa, but is actually Shivkashi. When Vairam confronts her Udyappa, he hits her which gains her sympathy votes. Shivkashi fakes a threat by Udayappa towards Vairam, resulting in Udyappa's men attacking the villagers. The people turn against him and Mulimungari, who is covered in cow dung for making Udyappa an MLA. Mulimungari threatens Udyappa with dire consequences. Udyappa plans to kill his wife, Kayalvijhi, and frame Shivkashi to gain votes, but Shivkashi saves her. Shivkashi secretly burns a body with Ramalingam's chain, making everyone think Udyappa killed him. The people rioted outside his house. Shivkashi calls him, saying he can have Ramalingam back, but must hand over all his ancestral property to her. Udyappa signs it, thinking Muthappa cannot sign and finds one of his men. Vairam wins the election and property, where she and her mother regain their old state. Shivkashi released Ramalingam and Kayalvijhi. Udyappa hears that Muthappa has arrived, who is revealed to Vairam and her mother to be Shivkashi. An angry Mulimungari decides to kill Udyappa, who decides to kill his brother. Mulimungari's men arrive and are about to kill Udyappa. When Thangam asks Shivkashi Muthappa to save him, Shivkashi Muthappa rescues Udayappa, who later begs for forgiveness for his actions and reunites with Kayalvijhi. Muthappa and Hema get married.